Hey guys, today is January the 28th of 2014. I want to go over the euro, just give you my thoughts and my opinions, and know that this is an educational video only, so please consult a professional financial advisor. Alright, I'm going to be skipping what I normally do. I'm just going to get straight to the point. The US session is about to start. It's like 8:22 in a few minutes. So I'm kind of going to update you where the euro's at. We're in a chop fest right here. This is the line in the sand, the 1 by 1, and the euro is confused. It doesn't know what's going to do. It's waiting for Wednesday, which I was informed watching a commentary that there's a big FOMC meeting, and we'll see what's going to happen, which coincides with my seasonal date, which is the 29th. I normally don't look at the calendar. I look at the calendar as the day comes. So these calculations I do are based on geometry and esoteric and stuff like that. So it's going to be interesting. There's going to be a lot of fireworks for tomorrow. So we shall see what's going to happen. But in the meanwhile, we're right smack in the middle. Let's see squeeze play. Where we at? The squeeze play, what it tells me is that how price is being contained and where is the explosion gonna go. So, well, this is the DX. You gotta look at the DX also. This is we're focusing on the euro. As you can see, we have 2 days. Actually 2 weeks. This is a weekly, monthly, 1 hour, 1 year, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30, 15, and 4 minute. So you can see that on the weekly, we have 2 weeks that we've been really in a tight range. Last week and this week. You can see a doji showing not decided. We go up, we go down, and we go right back to where we started. So traders don't know, they don't have like a direction where they want to go. On the 1 year, you see that we, as of today, we're in a tight range. I mean, it's been building up, so we got a range of like 37, 38 all the way to 36.28, and we just kicked into a squeeze play. On the 4 hour, we've been in it in these last 4 hours. These 2 candles are 4 hours, so we're in a squeeze play there. This was pointing to the downside. This one is pointing to the upside, and the weekly is pointing to the downside. So I'll let you decide which one you think could possibly work or happen. This has been in a squeeze play on a 1 hour, chop back and forth, and it's kind of gave you a direction pop, but it was a head fake. But this is a 1 hour chart, and it breaks down like that. So these are the ones you want to look at. And if we do a 12 hour, I don't know if I could get the 12 hour here. Let's just see what the 12 hour is saying. 12 hour is not really saying much. So the 4 hour is telling us this is pushing down, this is pushing up, and this is pushing down. So you got 2 that are trending in the same direction with the explosion going down, and you got 1 going up, and that was just because of this pop. Let's see what else we got. Let's glance this chart. The linear regressions. Let's just glance this chart and see what we got. Let's get in here. Let's see what we got. Euro sunk into the cloud and popped and found support. Got us down as 36.22. You got the cage in here, the tanking, so it probably might want to go all the way up to 36.99, but we'll see. It's just chop. It's just chop. It's just pure chop. Nothing here. Let's go to the weekly. See? You're right in between the mobile bands. 36.09, 37.13, 37.12. You're right in here, and this is all noise. Once you get out here, you start going there, then you're trending. Once you go down here, you go down here, then you're trending. When you're here, you ain't going nowhere. Unless you want to scalp and make money, go ahead, fine. But if you wanted to trend, this is probably where you're going to be making your money. All this area right here. Monthly. You're having a tough time with the Kumu cloud on the monthly. You're right here, 81 now. You might want to test this again, and if you fail it, I don't know what's going to happen, but this is your issue right here. Let's look at the big picture. Let me show you my tick. See where we at there too. Tick and range, I call it. The U.S. session is about to start, so you can see the euro is starting to get a pop. It's gone all the way to 30. Let's see. It's hit this 61.8 around there-ish. And it could probably do a double top from right here to here, so we'll see. But it's trending higher. And looks like you're getting a signal now, but you got this resistance right here, which is at 36.82. And you got this pivot high you're probably going to test, 36.94, and then you got 37.10. You got this 61.8 that it's pierced higher. If we go into the 30-day ATR, you got the 36.99 level you want to keep an eye on right here. That's a 50%. 37.38, and there goes the session. So yes, you want to keep an eye on that level right there. Let's go into the big picture and see what we got. My big picture is monthly, weekly, daily, and 12-hour. You see that it got into the noise level right here. So this is all chop right here. You're above 36.66. As long as it stays above that 1 by 1, you're right on a squeeze play setup going up, but you got the weekly going down, so it should be interesting. And you're in noise right here. Once this thing gets out of here, then we're going up here. If we can't get and close and stay up here, this week, and start next week and go higher, then it's gonna be, chop fest. I think that's it. Nothing really else. Well, you got, your Astro trader. You got the new moon coming up, 29:30, and that should that'll be tomorrow and Thursday. So a lot of stuff going on there. But we shall see. It's just pretty choppy. Good trading. Make some pips, and hope this video helps.